Learn law through movies. Today's question is, what is subject matter jurisdiction?
And you were right. It was Aristotle. Now, I assume all of you have read pages 1 through 48 and are now well-versed in subject matter jurisdiction. Who can tell us about Gordon versus Steele? Let's call on someone from the hot zone. Elle Woods.
Oh, actually, I wasn't aware that we had an assignment.
Oh.
Hey, Paulette, how many times you gonna come over here begging me to take you back, huh?
I was,
Dewey Newcomb?
Who's asking?
I'm Elle Woods, Miss Bonafonte's attorney. And I'm here to discuss the legal situation at hand.
Come again?
Do you understand what subject matter jurisdiction is?
No.
I didn't think so. Well, due to habeas corpus, you and Miss Bonafonte had a common law marriage, which, heretofore, entitles her to what is legally referred to as equitable division of the assets.
Come again?
Due to the fact that you've retained this residence.
Jurisdiction, the legal authority to hear legal cases and make judgments, the geographical region of authority to enforce justice. A court must have jurisdiction to enter a valid, enforceable judgment on a claim. Where jurisdiction is lacking, litigants, through various procedural mechanisms, may retroactively challenge the validity of a judgment. Subject matter jurisdiction. Jurisdiction may be broken down into two categories: personal jurisdiction and subject matter jurisdiction. Personal jurisdiction is the requirement that a given court have power over the defendant, based on minimum contacts with the forum. Subject matter jurisdiction is the requirement that a given court have power to hear the specific kind of claim that is brought to that court. While litigating parties may waive personal jurisdiction, they cannot waive subject matter jurisdiction. General and limited jurisdiction. Limited jurisdiction. The requirement that a court have subject matter jurisdiction means that the court can only assume power over a claim which it is authorized to hear under the laws of the jurisdiction. For example, Congress limited the subject matter jurisdiction of the United States Tax Court to cases related to taxation. Thus, that court does not have subject matter jurisdiction over any other matter. General jurisdiction. Most state courts are courts of general jurisdiction, whereas federal courts have limited jurisdiction. That is, state courts are presumed to have power to hear virtually any claim arising under federal or state law, except those falling under the exclusive jurisdiction of the federal courts. Limited jurisdiction in state court. However, for pragmatic reasons, some states deny subject matter jurisdiction to specific claims, such as those arising in other states. Most states also maintain specialized courts of limited subject matter jurisdiction. Examples of these types of courts include probate courts, traffic courts, juvenile courts, and small claims courts. Limited jurisdiction in federal court. As for federal courts, with few exceptions found in the Constitution itself, Congress defines their limited subject matter jurisdiction. In order to bring an action in federal court, the plaintiff must find a constitutional or congressional grant of subject matter jurisdiction to allow the federal court to hear the claim. Federal subject matter jurisdiction sources. The two primary sources of the subject matter jurisdiction of the federal courts are diversity jurisdiction and federal question jurisdiction. Diversity jurisdiction generally permits individuals to bring claims in federal court where the claim exceeds $75,000 and the parties are citizens of different states. Under federal question jurisdiction, a litigant, regardless of the value of the claim, may bring a claim in federal court if it arises under federal law, including the U.S. Constitution. Furthermore, it is important to note the supplemental jurisdiction in federal courts. Supplemental jurisdiction allows a federal court to adjudicate a claim over which it does not have independent subject matter jurisdiction, on the basis that the claim is related to a claim over which the federal court does have independent jurisdiction. Federalism, the jurisdictional division between state and federal tribunals, is an essential component of American federalism. Federal courts possess exclusive jurisdiction over certain subject matter, notably issues like patent and admiralty law, which have national significance. Federal and state courts also have concurrent subject matter jurisdiction over many issues, allowing parties to choose whether to litigate in a federal or state tribunal. Hope you would like this video. Your follow, like, share and comment are well appreciated. Thank you.